Okay, I'll take next problem on ages. Next question is 4 years ago. Next question number 3. 4 years ago. 4 years ago, the ratio of the ages of 4 years ago. The ratio of the ages of the ratio of the ages of the ratio of the ages of A and B was 2 is to 3. A and B was 2 is to 3. Okay. And after 4 years, and after 4 years, and after 4 years, it will become 5 is to 7. It will become 5 is to 7. Okay. Find their present age. Find their present age. Find their present age. Okay. So here your question is what? That is 4 years ago the ratio of the ages of A and B was 2 is to 3. And after 4 years it will become 5 is to 7. Find their ages. Okay. So we don't know present age. Okay. So past age. Next to future age. Okay. So present age we don't know 4 years ago. This ratio of A is to B. Past A is to B. What? Past, present, future. Okay. Now, past age of A is to B is what? 4 years ago, this ratio was 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3 means how you consider 2x into 2x is to 3x. 4 years ago means you should subtract minus 4. Okay. So, here, 4 years ago. 4 years ago means present year. 4 years ago means we should add 4 years for the present age. Try to understand it. That is 4 years ago the ratio of the ages of A and B was 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3, how you write this one? 2x is to 3x. So 4 years ago. 4 years ago means for present age you have to add 4 for each A and B. That means 2x plus 4 is to 3x plus 4. So your present age is what? 2x plus 4. Present age of A and B is what? 2x plus 4 is to 3x plus 4. Next, they are given. That is, and after 4 years, again after 4 years means you should add plus 4. After 4 years, it will become 5 is to 7. So after 4 years means what? So 2x plus 4, 3x plus 4. Again add 4. 4 years for each A and B. That means 2x plus 8 is to 3x plus 8. So already 4 is there. Again add 4. 2x plus 8 is to 3x plus 8. So it will become 5 is to 7, which is equal to 5 is to 7. This is the given data. Understand it carefully. 4 years ago. 4 years ago means it is the past one. So what now? Past age of A is to B, that is 2x is to 3x. So that means before 4 years. Next, present age is what? 4 years ago means present age is plus 4 years. So 2x plus 4 is to 3x plus 4. Okay. Next, future year. So what they have done? After 4 years, it will become 5 is to 7. After 4 years. This is your present age now. This is your present ages of A and B. So after 4 years means again add 4. So 2x plus 4 plus 4, that is 2x plus 8, 3x plus 8, it will become 5 is to 7. So now find your x value. Okay. So 2x plus 8, 2x plus 8 divided by 3x plus 8 is equal to 5 divided by 7. So this implies 2 into 7 14x plus 8 into 7 56 is equal to 5 into 3 15x plus 40. So this implies, so 56 as it is minus 40, take it in the LHS side. Then 15x as it is, take this one in So therefore x is equal to 56 minus 40, that is 16. So x value is what? 16. Okay. So now you got your x value. Now your question is what? Find their present age. So present age of A and B. So present age of A. Present age of A is what? 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4 means 2 as it is. X value 16 plus 4. So 16 into 2, 32. 32 plus 4, that is 36. Next to present age of B. Present age of B, that is 3x plus 4. So 3 into x value 16 plus 4. So that is 48 plus 4, that is 52. So your answer is what? 36 and 52. Okay. So I'll repeat this once again. Try to understand the problem first. See here, 4 years ago, the ratio of the ages of A and B was 2:3. 4 years ago, past they are given 2:3. You can write it as 2x is to 3x. Okay, 4 years ago means present age, that is plus 4 is added. So present age is what? 2x plus 4 is to 3x plus 4. Now they are given after 4 years it will become 5 is to 7. After 4 years means again we have to add 4 years. So 2x plus 8 is to 3x plus 8 is equal to, it will become 5 is to 7. So this is our given data. So using this data you can solve your x value. So 2x plus 8 divided by 3x plus 8 is equal to 5 divided by 7. Now by cross multiplication, 7 into 2x 14x, 7 into 8 56. Then 5 into 3 15x, 5 into 8 40. Now 56 as it is, take this 14 LHS side. 56 minus 40, that is 16, and 15x minus 14x, that is x. So x value is 16. Now your question is what? What is the present ages of A and B? Okay. So present ages of A and B means present age of A is what? 2x plus 4. So substitute your x value, 2 into 16, that is 32 plus 4, 36. Similarly, present age of B, that is 3x plus 4, 3 into 16, 48, 48 plus 4, 52. So your answer is what? 36 and 52. Okay, I'll take another problem. So the next question. Harsha is 40 years old. Next fourth question. Harsha is 40 years old. Harsha is 40 years old and Rith is 60 years old. And Rith is 60 years old. 60 years old. How many years ago? How many years ago? How many years ago was the ratio of their ages? Was the ratio of their ages? Ratio of their ages to 3:5. 3:5. Try to understand the question first. That is, Harsha is 40 years old and Rith is 60 years old. They are given, that is present age. Present age of Harsha and Rith, H is to R. Okay, that is 40:60. They are already given 40:60. Okay, now after this, how many years ago? How many years ago means you should find past. Don't know how many years, so you can consider it as x. So number of years, that is considered as x. How many years ago was the ratio of their ages 3:5? So 40 minus x is to 60 minus x is equal to 3:5. This is your given data. So using this one, so you can solve this one, that is 40 minus x divided by 60 minus x is equal to 3 divided by 5. So 5 to 4, 20, 200 minus 5, so 5 times 5x is equal to 3 into 60, 180 minus 3x. So this implies 200 as it is, take 180 in LHS side and minus 5x becomes plus 5x, take it in RHS side, plus 3x, sorry, minus 3x. Then 200 minus 180, that is 20, is equal to 5x minus 3x, that is 2x. 2 ones are 2, 10s are get cancels, x is equal to 10. So your answer is what? 10 years ago, their age ratio was 3:5. Try to understand this clearly. That is, Harsha is 40 years old and Rith is 60 years old. How many years ago was the ratio of their ages 3:5? So they are given present ages of Harsha and Rith. 40:60. And their question is what? How many years ago was it 3:5? How many years ago? Don't know how many years. So I will take it as x. So 40 minus x is to 60 minus x. They are given 3:5. So 40 minus x is to 60 minus x equal to 3:5. So you can write it as 40 minus x divided by 60 minus x is equal to 3 by 5. 5 into 40, that is 200. 5 into x minus 5x. 3 into 60, 180. 3 into minus x minus 3x. So 200 as it is, take this one in LHS side. So 200 minus 180 minus 5x, take it in RHS side, 5x minus 3x. That is 2x. 200 minus 180, that is 20. 2 ones are 2 ones are get cancelled, so x is equal to 10. So required years, that is 10 years ago, Harsha and Rith age ratio was